welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a new year, so happy new year, guys. Today we're just gonna bring in a new look. This is called Basic to Baddie. Like, in the twinkling of an eye, I switched up this look. I'm really loving it. Like, this is not me. I'm not used to doing this, but girl, fam, I'm bringing out a new old me I never knew existed, and I'm loving this. I'm loving this. So you guys, please, keep watching, subscribe, like, comment. Let's do this together. Stay tuned, and share. Before we go ahead, have you guys clicked the subscribe button? If you're new to this channel, you click the red button, subscribe, hit on the notification bell so you get to be the first person to enjoy all the goodies I have to offer my YouTube channel this year. A lot of content is coming out, no jokes. I started my makeup by priming my face with a DIY rosewater setting spray. I went in with the Caudalie moisturizing serum to moisturize my face and give it a good base before I applied my foundation. I started my face with a lighter shade of foundation at my T-zone areas and the areas where I wanted my highlight to pop properly, and later went in around my Guys, I know this is looking like all masquerade, but I used the flat blending brush to blend all the foundation together to make it seamless and flawless, leaving behind no ash line. I later went in with a foundation stick in a darker shade to contour the areas of my nose, my chin, below my cheek, and around my forehead. I blended them out in a circular motion to make it look more seamless and flawless. I went in with a little blending brush to blend out the contour area around my nose. After doing that, I used the same foundation brush to just go over the whole face makeup in order to set every area perfectly. I went in with my Sacha buttercup setting powder to set the areas I had highlighted, and the areas that I contoured, I used a black opal medium loose finishing powder to go over those particular areas. If you'd like to see a detailed way of how I did my eyebrows, please leave a comment down below, or you could also refer to my previous video. I did a little demonstration of how I got the eyebrows done. Now, going back to the main reason why you guys clicked on this video today, I started my eyeshadow by using 3 transition shades of eyeshadow from the Juvia's Place palette, the Nubian 2. I went in with a matte lip gloss over my eyelids, and I blended it out with a fluffy brush immediately to prevent ash lines from forming. I had to blend it in a circular motion, and I did it fast. After blending that, I went over my eyelids with a burgundy shade of eyeshadow from the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette, and I also went back in around the eyeshadow area with the earlier transition colors I had used, just to give it a very perfect and clean slate. After I did this, I used the eyeliner over my eyes. I went in with a little blending brush and used a darker shade of powder to go over the areas where I had contoured, and I went around my face with a bigger powder brush to go over the same areas where I had contoured. I went in with my eyeliner. I did a little eyeliner, and I went in on the under part of my eyes, doing the same thing I had done on my eyelids there, just to give it a smoky effect and to come out just the way I really wanted it to look. I have very teary eyes, so I'm always very careful in doing some particular looks when it comes to my eyeshadow. I went in with my blush and I did a happy dance. As you guys can see, I was really feeling the look. I did my eyelashes off camera, and I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerriero highlight palette for my highlight. I really love this palette. It pops and gives me this glowy, dewy look every time I do it. I went in again with a little brush and just added some highlights in some general areas I wanted, and that was, boom, the end of the look. I started lining my lips with a brown lip pencil from from the Zaron Cosmetics line, that's cappuccino. I lined the lips and I smacked it to blend it properly. I went in with a BMpro lipstick. I'll try and check the name and put it in the description. I blended it and smacked my lips together, and I went in with a sleek liquid lip gloss just to give it a... Can you guys feel the way it's popping? A little tip I use just for being extra. This is an eyeshadow primer. I just put a little, a really little tip. Okay. Just to brighten it up. And that's all. Like, that's all. The look. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching it in as much as I enjoyed creating this look. Like, I really had a very lovely time doing this. You guys just anticipate more of this beautiful look videos that I'm going to release. I can't wait to share. Like, I have a lot of stuff to share with you guys. I'm so excited. Like, the final look. I had my week done. You know, I just had to switch it up a little bit. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying tuned. I really love doing this with you guys. So click the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, like, share, comment. Let's rub minds together, and please share. Let everyone know there's a new YouTuber on YouTube, and I'm ready to bring out all the content in me. Guys, for clicking on the subscribe button. Yeah, you clicked on it. I know you've done it. Have you done it? I trust you. This is a year for setting up goals and achieving more goals. So I have a lot of stuff to pour out to my YouTube channel. I really hope you guys would benefit from it, and you guys will be there all the time. So in order to know what's up, click the red button. Yeah, subscribe, like my channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell, so you're going to be the first person to know about all the content I have for you this year. Like, I'm feeling every part of my look. Yeah, share to everyone. I want to hit 1,000 likes before the end of January, and I know you guys are going to help me achieve this. Thank you so much for staying tuned. This is a very basic to baddie look. I hope you guys are going to rock it. Once you rock it, tag me, and tag me. I'd love to know what you guys came up with. See you guys in my next video. Love y'all.